G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel, and we're back on the road for Long Drive For Drought. So exciting. We're going to go see the world premiere of the Better Man. Going to do some outback driving. We're going to see some more spectacular scenery. So it's going to be another exciting few days, isn't it?
Yes.
Righto, let's hit the road. Bit of a vehicle swap, Andy Grace. Jumped into Mark and Suzanne's. I can hear there in mine revving it up. So a bit of a swap. He's going to try out the parabolics and the Barra. Let's see it go.
I can send it, stick up.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Where's Alia? Fox Cutler Tour plus Ian.
Yeah, Andy.
She's a couple.
When's it on?
So if they're boring.
Righto, we've made it to the Sheepyard Inn. Now, we've been here before. You probably remember the old 55. But this year round, we've got the whole Long Drive For Drought crew here. There's going to be 40s everywhere, all parked around the back. Mate, I love this place, as long as they don't knock off all the parts. Standard FJ 55 motor. That ain't no tool. Yeah. Righto, behind me we've got the old HJ47. I don't know if you remember, a few years back now we did a bit of a story on this. It was a bit of fun, but it's still here.
This is my Toyota. We threw that on a few years ago just so that we could, you know, when we're going shooting and that, we can push the scrub out of the road.
Took a wrong turn outside of Grawin here. Beautiful track, I loved it. Most guys loved it too, single trails, but
We're just coming in on that. We're just looking at back in there. Yeah, I don't know who wants to talk to.
we've all had to do some turns on some single trails to turn around 50 odd cruisers.
Come around the other side, we go over the bridge, come up the back.
But a local named Macca has come to the rescue, so thanks Macca.
Now, are we going forwards or backwards?
Forwards. Right, this is Yarn. Now, look, if you follow Traveller or you're following stuff that's going on Long Drive For Drought, this is the guy that makes the magic.
That's this one.
You're incredible, man. And you have to say, tell us about your Instagram page.
Walk and see. Yeah,
it is
been
amazing.
shooting around with these legends. Awesome experience. Best time ever. Long Drive For Drought.
You've got to check out his Instagram page, especially if you're into surfing and that sort of stuff.
Yeah, a lot of
Amazing,
ocean-related adventures. Yeah, getting out and around.
And thanks for coming along and
My pleasure.
sharing our journey.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
You're a legend, bro.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, man.
mate.
Righto, so this is a big day today. Tilpa Film Festival, the International Tilpa Film Festival, where we get to watch, a bit rough here, we watch The Better Man tonight, Daniel Green's movie, so this is going to be a pretty exciting night. We're going to dress up tonight, aren't we? We're going to hit the red carpet. Andy's going to look absolutely beautiful, I already know that. So we've got a couple hundred Ks of dirt road to get there. And yeah, nice convoy. Be a pretty cruisy day today, I think, but I'm looking forward to it. You looking forward to it? Good job, Andy. It'll make it in.
I'm not broken down this time.
I know, how good is that? Look, the bonnet's not up on this, but it's good to see that Mark's got high vis on.
Someone's going to see me.
You know? What's going on, mate?
This will be the shot.
It's either a diff or a flange or both.
Stripped all your axle studs, I'm going to say.
Oh, crikey, that should be cool.
Oh,
Oh, no!
Stripped axle studs.
Hang on, just getting in here, boys.
I just don't want to break a... Oh!
Oh,
Oh, no!
Oh, broke a clip.
Well, there's your problem.
Yeah.
Oh well, that's easy. At least we know what it is. Oh, the dowels are still there.
Oh, you still got it down.
Lucky you had that hubcap, because it was actually holding it in.
Yeah.
Stopping it from sliding out, to be honest. Because you can see it rubbed on the inside of that.
Oh, it's just sheer power and a 2-ass.
Oh, good comeback. That's a good comeback. You just got put in place, Dave.
Don't go looking for problems.
14.
No, they're 14 and 12.
Probably that last one.
Yep, hold on. I'll just finish cracking this one for you. Can I spin this or you're right?
Yeah. Is that, you want it that way?
So we've got 2 workers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 supervisors.
We got no shovels.
Good job, guys. Well done. How's the job going?
Just making sure.
Are they? Who's the QA?
Just in case they need help.
Right.
He's making sure that I'm making sure.
Excellent. No, I love it, boys. Well done. Good QA systems. Good supervising. Well done, everybody. Show me your shaft.
That's out of proportion.
Wow.
Yeah. Call me tripod.
Yes.
I've got it stripped, bro.
So on the back end, on the underneath part, yep, that's it. Perfect. Yeah, they're neat.
I like it a lot. Oh, you got the proper one. Most especially pair of pliers on the trip.
Righto. Now you'll have temperature again. And you drop fuel on top of your exhaust.
Bit of power steering fluid.
If flames start
I
coming
think we
out
just
the bonnet,
shut the bonnet. We just shut the bonnet.
Yeah, close it up. Keep it hidden. The less we can see, the better. There we go. Tom and Fix can't see any other issues now.
no.
Look how neat that is. What do you got there, Mark? What's
Souvenir.
that? What
Just
about
everything else
the
around it.
seal in the inside?
There's a few more Ks than that.
Yeah, there.
Starting to get a bit warm.
That's not amazing. Righto, so the time has come. Here we are at Tilpa. The International Film Festival, the Better Man is on tonight. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be as good as the Better Man, but I'm doing my best. So we're going to go over, watch the movie. I am absolutely stoked and pumped to see this movie. I can't wait. So anyway, there's a whole stack of people that have dressed up similar to me. So we'll see if we can show anyone up. Let's do it.
Making a film it's an ensemble piece. You can't do it alone, even though I might have tried to do it alone. It's an ensemble piece. I just wanted to give some gratitude to these guys.
Still got the old truck, huh?
Yeah, she'll be up for sale soon. Life's short. Got inspired one day and swapped a V8 into it.
That was my idea. So how does it drive?
Why don't you find out?
Righto, funny enough, last night the Terrain Tamer air compressor was won at the auction by Adam, so well done, Adam. But Mark and Suzanne have got a flat tyre. We're going to fix it up. I had to go see Adam to say, so we're going to be the first to use his Terrain Tamer prize. So that worked out really well.